Going down.
These are the elevators at the Hampton Inn and Homewood Suites, Boston Seaport.
Lobby.
Up to 14.
Going up.
Full cab view.
Fourteenth floor.
Now, let's just go down.
Going down.
2, 3, because there's a lot of traffic down on 1. Interesting, there are 2 key card readers here that are not being used.
Third floor. Going up.
One more trip up to 14. Interesting too, these use a new recording for the numbers, but everything else is the same.
Fourteenth floor.
Go down to 11.
Going down.
Good. These are quite nice cabs.
11th floor. Going up.
Okay, sorry my video ended a bit prematurely there, but let's watch one close.
Going down.
And this is a bank of 4 elevators. Show you there. One, 2, there's a window, but it's kind of dark, so we'll get a good view. 3, 4 elevators. Now, should have been a pretty good video. I apologize again about the false end there. Accidentally touched the screen and it.
It's in your purse. Hurry.
Okay. So quite nice Otis elevators. This is a dual branded hotel. It's a Homewood Suites and a Hampton Inn. All in one. Pretty cool. An interesting thing too, I don't know when they started doing this, but they re-recorded the floor numbers. So like 3rd, 4th, 5th, they're all new recordings. I think, okay, down one more will be our room. And as we customarily do, end the video by unlocking it. So, I love these key card readers because of the sound, just like Rose and Shingle Creek. If you remember those, here we go. And that's it.